guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So if you open the home screen, just hold the finger on the display. Now as you can see there are themes, so if you want to switch it, just tap on anyone to activate it. You can also change the font. This is how it works. Okay, the next one, widgets. If you want to add any, expand any any section, and choose the widget that you want to add to your home screen. Hold the finger on it and choose the place on the home screen. You can also change the size of it by swiping the edges of the square. And you can also hold the finger on it to remove that. Just swipe up to the remove button. Okay, let's go. The wallpaper works exactly same like in the themes, so I think we can skip it. And now let's open the personalize. As you can see, there have the wallpaper like before, themes, fonts, and the colors. If you want to change the system accents, you can do it here by using the ready color palette or choose your decided one. Tap on the save. Now we have a purple accents. You can also change the icon shape, choose your favorite one and click on save. If you want to change the layout, you can do it here. If you want to change the amount of the application, the rows and the columns. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.